Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you my whole book collection and explaining to you what I think are good about them. So let's do that, shall we? Right then, so let me just turn this music down a bit. Did you like my little epic introduction there? So I'm going to start with this book because I think this book is really one of my favourite books out of all of these, to be honest with you. Well, actually there's quite a few, so I'll just go into them. So this is the C++ Pocket reference. Let me just get the light here so you can see this bit better. So this is the C++ Pocket reference. I can't believe the zoom and the bloody... There's not much I can do about this. Oh, that's fucking great. So this is the C++ Pocket reference book made by O'Reilly. Or published by O'Reilly, and it was written by Kylie Luden, although you can't really see that. Maybe if I don't know. But yeah, it's a really good book actually. I read through it a lot, and I've seen a lot of things in there. There's so much information in this book about C++ that is just awesome. Like, it goes into classes, and it goes into like functions and how to make a function, while loops, all the different keywords, all the definitions, other scopes, namespaces, operators, literals, identifiers, lexical elements, all that stuff, enumerations, the preprocessor derivatives, and all kinds of other things that you want it to go into. It says on the back here. It's a very good book, very well written, and I do love it. I really do love it, I have to say. So yeah, that's the C++ Pocket reference, and it cost me, according to this, only $10, which is like £4 in England money, or £5 or £6 English money. Then we have the V and Vim editor book. Now, I've got to say, I used to be a fan of Vim, and maybe I still am to a point, but at the same time, you know, I just don't think it needs this much information to use to write some text. I'm sorry. For that reason, I do not recommend Vim. But for anyone who wants a serious challenge and a pain to work with, then this is the best editor for you, in my opinion. And this book is actually very well written. I have tried to look into it, and I think it's very good. Very good, in fact. Actually quite amazing, to be honest with you. But so yeah, this is a very good book, and it was written by Arnold Robbins, Albert Hanna, and Linda Lamb. So yeah, it goes into everything, like how to move around, how to go beyond the basics of V, use V's global search replace, customize V, use Vim's extended text objects, perform multi-window editing, you know, make full use of the GUI version called GVim, and everything else. And it's actually made by the same people, O'Reilly. O'Reilly makes very good books, or publishes very good books. Now, I haven't used Ruby quite a bit actually, to be honest with you. I have used the Ruby. I made my own notepad editor in Ruby, and I've got to say, I haven't actually used this book much for that purpose, because to be honest with you, I should have got the Pocket reference rather than this, and I kind of regret that, but well, at least I've got all this information here if I really need to know. So, sorry, hold on. Oh. So yeah, it just goes into everything that Ruby is, and it's really great. It has a lot of like art by Y the Lucky Stiff. So let's see if we can find some more art. Oh, there we go. Just some really good art, to be honest with you. And that's some of his art. Sorry, there's like a... Yeah, so he did that. He did lots of art in this book, so it's pretty awesome. Very good art. Very good. Yeah, so it goes into everything you need. This is a very good book, and it's made by, published by O'Reilly. God, I keep getting that wrong. And it was written by David Flanagan and Yukiro Matsumoto, the guy who made Ruby, or designed it or whatever. So yeah, those are the There's books there, and then we're going to go to my old history. So this was the first actual book I read when I started getting into game development. I was using a tool called GameMaker, which I do love a lot actually. Very much love the GameMaker. But I don't think you can really... You can make professional games and maybe sell it, but I wouldn't recommend using GameMaker to make anything professional. Sorry, Mark over Mars. But this, I mean, the tool is freaking so much fun. I loved it when I was using it in the day, and it comes with a CD. And it has some great art in it, and it goes into every detail about this tool, GameMaker, and it shows you all different things with pictures and everything. It shows you how to make all kinds of games. It shows you how to use the script, GML scripts. GameMaker is like a drag and drop GameMaker creator, but it actually has a lot more to it than that. That's just the basics of it. It's basically like a game engine. There you go. Great memories I had with this. The first game I made was a Tingle game, so it was like a floating little hand-drawn Tingle, and that I made with balloons, and you collect the balloons or something. And then I went on to make a Majora's Mask clone, I think, and then went on from there really, and it just carried on. Sorry. So this is the Java Pocket Guide, and I only have 2 minutes left, so I have to be quick. So this is a Java Pocket Guide, and I've read a bit through it, and yeah, it is helpful for people who need to do like Java. But I think I should have really got the Pocket reference, not Pocket Guide, or I don't even know if they have a Pocket reference for this. But anyways, it was written by Robert Liguri, and it cost me $15, so which is like £9 or something. And then one of my other favourite books is Programming Windows 5th Edition by Charles Petzold, the best Win32 documentation there is. I'm sorry, but this is like the best. And this cost me $60, which is £30, although I didn't pay for this. I don't know if I did actually. I think I did pay anyway. But yeah, it goes into everything about Win32. It's the best book, really. It's like going back into the olden days, really. It's great. I definitely recommend this. So yeah, and it comes with a CD as well, so I can actually show you what the CD looks like, because I have it, so that's what it looks like. You can buy all these books off eBay or Amazon or wherever, so anyways, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I will be making more videos soon, whenever. I'll probably make some on Christmas and Christmas Eve. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.